Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can add shine effect animation to your all buttons in Shopify in 2025, and it will be a complete brand new video, and I will try my best to make the video step by step breakdown so you guys can understand it easily. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. As you can see, we're already in our Shopify platform, and I will just click on login because I already have an account. But if you don't have any account, then in fact just click on sign up for free, then you will get the trial version. I also using the trial version here, as you can see it. Once you come over here, then just visit our online store, and you can see this is the interface we are getting, but there is a options we don't have any animation on our button. So we just want to change it and make it an animation of the shine so it looks very much cool. So here you just need to go onto the setting. Once you come over here into the setting, then you will find out called apps and sales channel option. Just click over here. Once you click over here, then you will get the options called Shopify app store in the top right corner. Just click over here. Once you click over here, then it will redirect you to the new tab where you are allowed to search any apps in that platform. This is the platform where you can find out your desired apps to make your website more convenient for your audience and more engaging. So as you can see in the search box, I will search a new app that called Rambo, and let's hit the search button, and here you will get suggestion. As you can see, Rambo. So here let's find out, did we get this one? No, we did not. So we just need to be search with the full name. So here eventually you can see we already write the whole name, and I will click on enter button and it will be searched. So there you can see we have rewind a couple of options, so we are not getting our desired application on that platform, so we need to be find it anyway. So just remove the Rombo and let's search for animated restore, and let's see, does we have this one? Okay, it is not available. I think they removed the apps, but no issue, we will go to the next one, animate button, and let's search for, unless you will find out any apps, you can use anything from that place. So here you can see we have this one. Okay, there is a problem. Animate button card B and C, then we have card button animator, then rocket, but we are not allowed to find our desired one. That is the main problem. So let's find out another apps. So here you can see this is our second apps that's called Mega Text Animation, and as you can see this is the plan we are looking for. This application, just enter it, and here you can see the free plan is available and also free trial is available. And here if you read whole information, then you will find out that it's elevated online storefront like immerse shoppers in inheriting shopping adventures with state-of-the-art text animations. So here you can see this is the feature we are getting on this platform, as you can see it. So let's go and let's try to install it and see it practically. So we have free plan, so I'm going to use the free plan, and the review almost great. So let's click on install. Once I click over here, install, then it will redirect me to the next page, and here it will be installed. Like, it is very much simple process, so I hope you can do it your own. Once it's done, then click on continue, and here you can see eye-catchy dynamic text animation, and it already started their work, so we need to wait a bit. Once it's done, they will give us the options to create the things perfectly. So now you can see that our work has been done. Okay, again optimize the restore font, as you can see it. Then click on or refresh our apps, and let's try to customize theme. Once I click on customize, then it will take a while and it will reload, and then they will give us the options. Just select this in deactive inspector, and okay, we just need to activate it. Okay, there is a options did we have? Let's click on image banner. So the apps is not working yet. I think there's a problem we are getting, that they are not giving us the free plan. That is the main thing. So they changes lots. Like previous week we have these options to do the animation with the free version, so they are not allowing us to do it now. But we have couple of other ads. You just need to go and find it out, or you can take help from ChatGPT. So let's search ChatGPT and then ask ChatGPT how I can do animation on Shopify. Animate button on Shopify. Let's hit enter button and they will give us the options. As you can see, animating a button on Shopify store can be done using CSS and optimally JavaScript. Here is a quick guide. So here you can see they are giving us a guideline. Use the class in your HTML liquid. So you can follow this guideline if you want to use it. As you can see, they are give us the whole access or process how we just need to do it. Let's ask ChatGPT, does they have any apps? In Shopify store. So let's see, does they provide? Like previously it changed a lot, like that is the problem. That's why I am finding something like they make it so much premium now, so that is the problem. No limited to buttons, animate any element like text, CSS magic, no need 3-month free trial. Let's search it, CSS magic. Let's see it. Like these are the apps will help you to make your proper work for you. No result on search in Shopify app store. So as you can see, this is the CSS magic. Let's install it. So here you can see this is the feature we will get, like CTA bounce. This is the effect we will get, and it does not have any free plan. You just need to be paid $3. So it sometimes become hard for us to get the free plan and to use this one. Then you can see click me add to cart button by convert5. Let's search this one and talk about this. Let's search these apps. Okay, here you can see Carty add to cart, click me add to cart. We have a couple of on, but there is options I already told you, so you can now do it. This one, click me, free trial available. They also provide this kind of a thing, so it's totally up to you. If you want to use the free plan, you can go with I mentioned before 2 apps, or if you want to, like you are allowed to invest some money, couple of penny, then you can go with this plan. So it is really simple to make your website animated scene type. So I hope you understand how easy the process was. If you have any question related to this, you can ask me on the comment box. I will happy to assist you. Thank you for watching the video.